Welcome back to Code with Vanga channel. Today we are going to learn about boxing unboxing in C Sharp. What is boxing in C Sharp? Boxing is the process of converting a value type to reference type is called boxing. When you assign a value type into an object, it gets boxed. Now let's see those in the code. Now I'm going to create a one project with using console application. I'm giving the project name as boxing unboxing. Boxing unboxing. Boxing. Okay, now I have created a project. Now we will see the example. First we'll go with boxing. Okay, see, I have taken a int data type. The variable name is num and I have initialized it with 10. Okay, fine. This looks good. Okay, well, now I'm going to convert this int data type to object. For example, how to convert? I'm going to take object obj equal to, now I am converting that. See, this is a int data type. Now I have converted into object data type. This is called a boxing. It's a implicit conversion. Okay. Now, when we are going to print that, there will not be any error. Look at here. Now I'm going to run the program console dot read line. See, there is no issue at all. So this project has not created boxing unboxing. I have selected this one. Look at here. There is no error. Even when I change this into, for example, string, I'm going to convert string name. I'm going to give that name is Vedant. So now I'm going to convert string to object type. Look at here. Even for string also, there is no error. This is called boxing, converting value type to reference type. This is called boxing. Look at here. Converting a value type to reference type. Now, sorry. Now we'll see another example. I'm commenting all these lines. Now we'll checking with unboxing. Unboxing, okay. Now here, one part comes here. I'm taking an object, name as object. Okay. I have initialized with hello. Okay. Now I'm going to print this one. There is no issue. It's a general thing, you know. Now I'm going to change this into, I'm going to change this into string. String name equal to string object. Look at here. I'm converting object to string type. That means reference to value type. Now, when I run the program, there is no error. Here, what we have done is unboxing. Unboxing is the process of converting object to a value type. You must be explicitly casting. Here, what we have given this string data type that is called explicit casting. Now I'm going to take another example, but see, look at here, I'm going to take a 15. Now I'll convert this into int. Look at here, just I need to change int type. There is no issue. Now it has been converted. Again, I'm running the program. Look at here, the output is clear. Okay. Output is clear. Now, see, let's look at another beautiful example. You will like this one. For example, I'm going to take object obj equal to I have assigned with hello. Okay. Now I'm going to give number called int number. I'm casting explicitly int obj. Now look at here. The object is a string value. Now I have converted into a int value. Now, when we run the program, in the compile time, there is no issue at all. But when we run the program, it will throw an error because the conversion explicitly happened. See, system.invalid cast expression. Specified cast is not valid. It will throw an error. Why? Because the converted value explicitly is a string. So we have to give only string value based on. Then there is no issue at all. Now I'm running the program. Let's see the result. Now there is no issue at all. Sorry, don't have issue. Now output window number. Okay, let's run the program. Look at here. There is no issue at all. To avoid these data types, for example, object we have converted into int, or sometimes object we may convert into full type. Sometimes we convert into char type. Sometimes we may convert into string type. To avoid this, we have another solution. That is a fun part over here. See, now look at here. How to avoid this data type casting errors? How to avoid boxing? Now let's take, there is a called list. No boxing required here because no boxing required. Why? Already you know. Here we are declared with int data type only. For example, if I give any string value over here, it will throw an error. So look at here, it will throw an error. But if I give, because we have declared 1, 2, 3, 4, so there is no need for boxing here. But when it comes to array list, you know, array list, here it causes boxing because array does not know which data type. Array list can be stored int, string, boolean, char, decimal, float, whatever the type it can store. So here it requires. Again, I'm going to repeat the things. What is boxing? Boxing is the process of converting value type to a reference type, and unboxing is the process of converting object to a value type. You must use explicit casting. And important points. Boxing happens implicitly. Unboxing requires explicit casting. If casting is wrong, runtime it's going to be shown an error. So friends, this is all about boxing and unboxing. If you like my video, please share it with your friends. Thank you.